Hello again, YouTubers, GS 1200 owners. This is the third section of my video on sorting out the starter motor on your GS. I got the starter motor off. You can see where the locating bolts go. That one there, yeah, it's really difficult to get to, but it can be done. So there we go. You can see in there, there's the ring gear on the crankshaft, and also just there is the clutch, which you can see, I know you'll be able to see it being actuated as I pull the clutch lever. I don't know, so there we go. Yeah, you can see a bit of movement there. So the clutch appears to have some meat left on it, on the plates. There you go in there. And it's dry, there's no oil in there, so that's good, because doing a clutch replacement on these bikes is a right pig. So I think this one is going to be all right for a little while. So starter motor off, and I started to get it apart. Well, I have got it apart, so go indoors. And voila, on the kitchen operating bench. So there's the unit, and all comes apart fairly easily. These two long bolts hold the end plate together, and this is end cap which comes off with these. There's two little screws holding it, and that's the armature. It all looks in fairly good order, nothing horrendous, doesn't need a deep clean. That's all fairly okay inside. I'll check the gear arrangements down at the bottom. That's all working smoothly. And now and the brushes all seem to be in quite good order, because they're sprung loaded. I've now got to figure out how I get that back in place. I think it's either going to be a real pain, or I might find some novel way of holding all these back in their casings, so it will then drop back in place. That's the problem, because these are obviously all spring loaded and don't want to be in their little casing. So trying to get all four held back. There must be some knack or some special tool, I don't know, but we will sort that out in due course. So the plan now is to reassemble and see if there's any difference to the starting, and if not, maybe get a new battery, see if that solves the problem. Okay, that's all for now.